Hello and welcome. This is a drink called How to Make Carbonated Tim's French Vanilla Cappuccino Blueberry Pomegranate. First thing you gotta do is you open up the mix of the Tim's Cappuccino French Vanilla, which is French Vanilla Cappuccino, and you put into this mug. And then you pour in the water, like halfway. Last but not least, you open up this Blueberry Pomegranate Sparkling water, and then you pour it like halfway into this mug and let it settle. Just gotta make sure the foam doesn't go all over the place. Hey. And there you go, folks. Here is your Carbonated Tim's French Vanilla Cappuccino Blueberry Pomegranate. Enjoy, folks, and thank you for watching.